is my 1947 Studebaker pickup truck project. My first rat rod I've ever done. I got a 292 6-cylinder Chevy engine, a 3-speed transmission. There's not enough room up here for the radiator, so I mounted the radiator back here in the back where the bed's going to go. It's a 1995 Chevy radiator. I've got a 1995 Blazer rear end I put in. Relocated the shocks. And today I worked on the plumbing and the cooling system. Ran 1-inch piping from the radiator along the frame. Put some supports in. Underneath the engine mount. And up here to the radiator manifold and the water pump. I turned this outlet around on 180. It was sticking out the left side. I wanted both the hoses to be on the same side. They come out pretty good. Haven't got all the hose clamps on yet, but you get the idea. And down here I put a drain. And you can see the piping runs along the frame of the truck. This outlet right here is for a thermometer. It would be kind of cool to put an old-time thermometer up there. Alright, that's about it. Adios!